Check 1. Dual Band Router. You can listen to seamless music through Dual Band Router with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Check 2. Device and Network. All devices must be connected to wireless condition under the same router. When you connect a LAN cable with a desktop not supporting Wi-Fi, this cable must be connected to the same router. Download MusicFlow application. Go on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Search for MusicFlow and download MusicFlow Player application. Download MusicFlow PC program. When you want to download MusicFlow program on PC, go on LG.com and find it in Support and Software Update page. It is recommended to connect a LAN cable to soundbar for a stable network. Please check a green light on the subwoofer when you turn it on. Please plug a power cord of soundbar. Please connect a LAN cable to soundbar. Please check Wi-Fi on the display of soundbar. If not, please change a mode through F key on the top. Please follow an app guideline for installing LG MusicFlow Player. Please choose wired connection. When soundbar is connected, the sentence, MusicFlow has successfully connected, will be shown on the screen. You can find it on the list of connected speakers. Once connected, white LED light will be continuously on instead of blinking. Please enjoy music through MusicFlow Player. Do you want to listen to music or watch movies on home cinema mode, adding 2 rear speakers with a Wi-Fi soundbar? Please turn on the rear speakers. Please choose Add Speaker button on LG MusicFlow Player. Please push Add button on the back of the product and follow a guideline of MusicFlow Player app. Once the speakers are connected, the sentence, MusicFlow has successfully connected, will be shown on the screen. Let's connect one more rear speaker. Please push Add button. You can easily edit names of speakers if you want. All rear speakers are connected. Please check the list of connected speakers. If you want to use home cinema mode, please push S next to MusicFlow bar. Please allocate rear speaker to left and right channel. Please fully enjoy surround sound while watching movies or listening to music. Subwoofer and soundbar disabled. Green LED blink and change to red color. Solution: reset subwoofer. Plug out and turn on subwoofer again. Make volume 0. Push mute button. Plug out and turn on soundbar again.